Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Bogna.
And we're with Cali Moto TV, and we're also with Cali Track Days. And today we're at our season finale for Cali Track Days. And, well, we're here by ourselves today. And so we wanted to give you guys a little update of what's going on with Cali Track Days and why today ended up kind of getting canceled.
Yep.
And plans and a little bit about the backstory of Cali Track Days.
I like that.
So, let's start with the backstory because I think it's kind of a fun story.
It is a fun story.
So, me and Bogna actually met here at the track, I was running an organization for multiple years as far as, doing the marketing and,
operations,
everything.
Setting up, breaking down, you name it.
And me and Bogdan, we just got to a point where we decided we're going to leave that organization, and we traveled around and
did a whole bunch of tracks.
A whole bunch. I mean, we rode every single track. Actually, Auto Speedway is the only one we haven't been to.
Yeah.
But every track in California we've been to,
and outside of California too.
Yeah, outside. Yeah. So we the whole idea when Cali Track Days came about, we were actually coming back from a track day, and as kind of marketing people, we always, every time we go into a business, we figure out what we can do better for the business and what's cool about the business. We always talk about it. And so we were coming back from an organization and riding a track, and we're like, God, how could we piece together like the ultimate track day organization?
The most efficient one. Like how can
most efficient, but also with the cheapest pricing.
Yes.
And not necessarily the cheapest pricing. The goal wasn't to outprice other organizations.
No,
the goal was to be able to provide a cheap street riding environment track day organization. And so from the get-go, that was the whole idea, is that we wanted to be
get the people off the street and somehow get them hooked, get their first hit for
$100
for $100.
Get them into tracking.
So he did the math, and
yeah, and I did the math, and I thought the number ended up coming out to be about $100, and we could limit our groups to 135 total people, 45 per group, which was less than other organizations, and still get the track paid for. It was never an intention for me or Bogna, make money.
No, it was always a passion project
Yeah.
from the get-go, right? It's on our website. It's a passion project, right?
So we so Cali Track Days came out of Bogna's mouth on the trip home, and we got home and went straight to work. And in a few weeks, we had secured a couple days here at Thunder Hill, and we launched a website, and we sold out these 2 days in like 2 or 3 weeks, like almost immediately. And I think that when we sold out these original days, I think a lot of people, they didn't know what to expect. So of course, we don't do anything half-ass.
Nope.
And so, we ordered canopies, and we had a beautiful show. And if you've ridden with Cali Track Days, the show that we put on, it's very, very nice. So a lot of people were
Gotta be professional. You can't just you can't just be like, here's the track. That's not safe.
And a lot of people thought that. A lot of people, when they got here, they thought $100. What do they expect, right? So we had a few bumps on our first ones, but ending with 3 crashes per day. 3 crashes in a track day is almost unheard of. At the other organization,
10% is standard.
If we had 10 crashes in a day, it was an amazing day. And so we cleared out 2018 and ended it with 4 events, and we booked 10 total events. Today is our 10th event, by the way. And we booked out 10 events, and we had a good start. Now,
so how come today is just us?
So today I don't even know. It's rough to kind of explain how today kind of came about. Back last year, at the end of last year, there was a lot of people that didn't like how we ran the organization.
Yeah. They didn't like how we wanted to have it safe. They didn't like that there's rules and they're enforced.
Yep.
And they really it was really, I mean, we even have some guys commented on some of our videos how there's people popping off to Bill in the videos when he schools them you can't do X, Y, and Z. And we actually had a lot of that. And I think what people don't understand is we have 135 customers out here, and we want them safe.
Not just you.
Yeah, it's not just you, buddy.
Yeah.
So it really came to the point where I think we're kind of dreading that one person to ruin the thing. And it just, it's a passion project. There's no money in it for us. And then having like all that drama, it's like, I would rather come out here and do me.
Yeah. So the back drama, and not to get into it too much, but a lot of people had a lot of opinions about the organization and about our pricing,
been to us.
And they've never even been to us. A lot of people had a lot of negative things to say about Bill Schaefer, and it was funny, but yet disheartening to me to see some of these people that I had no idea who half these people even are, and the things that they had to say bad about me. And so a lot of people that know me can say, look, I'm cutthroat, and I'll say no to people, and I'll just be straight blunt to you. I'm not going to beat around the bush, and I'm not going to sugarcoat things.
And it's because like we're doing 160 miles an hour. The no is no.
Yeah. And this became, this is a passion project for me. So this isn't making my money. And for me to put my neck on the line, to put my name on the door, to risk potential issues with liability, this is a very, very highly liable business. And any track day organization, every track day organization should really step back and remember that we're all about liability, because there are track day organizations that have left the industry in the recent years because of liability issues.
Or sold them to different names. There's a lot of stuff that you guys don't know that goes on. Yeah.
But at the end of the day, that affected us to the point where we are today. And we love this year. We had a good year. We started to kind of gain the traction on the street bike people.
There's so many people that like I recognize, like I do registrations, so I recognize a lot of the names, and like I see the same people coming up, and they have fun and they love what we do. And you guys that supported us, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Like it's just like the last event, there was a girl that was helping, and it's the best thing to be out there and helping you guys. And I love doing this part, and I love seeing people get better. It's like, it's the coolest thing when you see that C group go out in the morning and there are just like 35 ducklings that don't know, 40 ducklings that have no idea what they're doing. And then at the end of the day, they're jamming.
See that. Yeah.
There's nothing better to see that.
I agree.
Nothing better.
I agree.
I love
and that's why we love it. But
we can't pay for the track. We're just ducklings.
But that's exactly that's exactly where
we
we're
need
at.
more ducklings.
So, we came to in the end of this year, we nailed it. We nailed it. I can say that not that I didn't want racers at my organization, because we had some racers at the organization.
Yeah, we always, but they're like.
But the number plates diminished through the years and through the year, and it was just you ducklings. It was just you street guys, and that's what we loved, because that's what we were all about. The problem with the motorcycle industry is that we're kind of in a dying market right now.
Where are you, ducklings?
And we couldn't get enough ducklings to pay for the track, and priced at $100, we had to be able to pay for the track, and that was the whole goal. That was the whole thing. And so today we had to cancel today because I had already taken such a financial hit with the business that I couldn't risk taking a larger hit.
Especially with the gloomy rain. I mean, the weather is great now,
Absolutely
but
beautiful.
November,
Today
it's a crapshoot.
Today would have been an amazing day, and for you dedicated riders, and for you people that wanted to come out.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, and I really I love it, and I love you guys, but we had the opportunity with Thunderhill to move today to kind of a private test day, and so me and Bogna
some R&R, so to speak.
Got a little R&R, and this is basically somewhat of a dream come true. I never imagined in my life that I would have a whole track to myself basically for the day. So, and real quick, my instructors, I've got to give you guys
You're amazing.
the biggest
I love you guys.
the biggest love that I have for all of my instructors, and I really, really thank you guys so very much from the bottom of my heart, because all of my instructors have become my friends and they become my family. And a lot of people don't understand or don't know that these instructors, they're out here for free. They're for free, right? They volunteer their time.
Yeah.
And you're coming from the other organization to this organization, and the people that we had at this organization, the smile that it had on my face to see people riding all day long with their vest on, working with people all day long,
butts off. And like every time, sometimes it was hard to get off track because the instructors would just like block the way with ducklings and coaching people and talking to people all day. And like whenever I pulled off track, I would see someone talking to someone with a track map going through the track. It was amazing. And you guys,
it's huge. So thank you guys. Thank you, instructors, all of my instructors. A huge special shout out. Not that anyone deserves a bigger shout out or any particular person from the organization, but Mike Abbott, thank you, Mike Abbott, so much for everything you did for us this year, because you really stepped into the operation of where some of the problems were with me, and you helped me with that. So Abbott, thank you.
So, you know, like we really noticed that there's not a lot of ducklings and people don't really ride as much, and we really want to get back to the streets, right?
Yeah.
We really, you know, like life has been pretty busy for us, and it's been really hard to balance all the like stuff that comes with the Cali Track Days that we didn't really expect to run into just because how people are. And we really want to, and when we started Cali Track Days, we also didn't have Cali Moto TV yet.
So I was just going to say, so Cali Moto TV came into starts with really us for Cali Track Days. It was really that.
It was supposed to push Cali Track Days.
It was supposed to push Cali Track Days. And we thought, hey, let's do certain things. Let's do, let's do bike reviews, and let's capture multiple audiences, because we love the streets, we love street bikes, we love the track, there's so much that we love, and there's so much in our lives that I wanted to share with you guys. So Cali Moto TV
took over.
Started like a California wildfire. Because it was not very, if you guys are early watchers, you guys know that it didn't start out this way. And where we are today and what we do today, we love it. And we're going to continue with Cali Moto TV because we love it. And I think us not having Cali Track Days frees up that time to be able to continue to bring you guys this amazing content and this amazing life of us,
and share like, hey, motorcycles are awesome, and like they're not those killing machines, and like, and we kind of want to get more into adventure riding. I kind of want to explore. Like with Cali Track Days, we've been so busy that we didn't get to travel too much, and I kind of want to do all that.
So we're gonna head back out on the street, and we hope that some of the street guys that have come from Cali Track Days, that you guys will come out and hopefully we'll be able to host some street rides. But at the end of the day, today, November
4th,
we say goodbye to Cali Track Days.
Yeah.
And but we grew a huge family, and
thank you guys.
Thank you. So thank you. I don't know what else to say. So the end of the day,
stay tuned, because we always do crazy things. So
we just bought an adventure bike, so we
always do crazy things. So you never know with us, but I think I'm excited. I'm excited for 2020. Yep. I'm excited what's gonna be, and thank you for all the guys that supported us, and I hope we can do some stuff still and see you guys.
Yep.
Meet the SoCal people. Some of the SoCal people we met.
So amazing. So we're gonna hit some street rides down in SoCal. But look, thank you guys again. if you guys are new to the channel, you know, hopefully you guys
we're not this sappy.
browse through some of the past videos, and hopefully we're going to be able to hook you guys on certain things. We've got a huge following on the R9T. I think the adventure bike, we're going to get a good following on the reviews. We get good following on the track people, and just everybody. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned. And if you guys made it to this part of the video, please give us a like, comment down below, tell us, share us a story. Listen, comment down below with the story of your experience with Cali Track Days and how amazing it was, and thank you guys. So make sure you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. But we got an empty track that we need to get back out on.
Yeah, we gotta shred some tires.
We gotta shred some tires.
Has way too much thread left.
We're TikToking. So thank you guys. Until next video, we'll see you then.
Bye bye.